Hello, my name is Nchimunya Munyama and I have something to show you. So what you're seeing here is the Netabot, rather than Netagrow device, of course Netabot. So this is one of our prototypes. This is where innovation meets efficiency. So today we're going to be diving into the firmware, a system designed to revolutionize the way you think about farming. So this device is the future of farming and the future of environmental monitoring, whether be it in forests, environments, agriculture, um, industrial monitoring, you mentioned it. So this advanced field monitoring system can control systems integrated seamlessly with a range of sensors to provide real-time insights into the soil conditions, environmental metrics, and crop health. So our system is equipped with a number of sensors, mainly temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, including the soil sensors for moisture, the pH, the soil temperature, and even specialized NPK monitors for precise nutrient management. So without further ado, I would like to introduce you to how it works. So this also has been optimized in the efficiency in a way that it also makes use of AI as well to be able to collect data and provide actionable insights. So allow me to just show you how you can connect it. So basically it has a battery inside, but for now we're going to be using my power bank just for the sake of debugging and everything like that. So here we go. Okay, so the device has been connected to the power bank. If you can see, obviously you can see, so it's powered on. The LEDs are lighting up. So what we're gonna do now, so we're gonna use a feature called, we're gonna use a feature that utilizes Wi-Fi. So we understand that most people in the community do not have smartphones, right? And some of them have smartphones in different locations and others do not have, others are in urban areas. So we made a feature which utilizes the GSM technology, where this system can be able to work even with just you utilizing your SMS notification. So you can control the device, get information via the SMS feature. Then if you have a basic smartphone that may have Bluetooth, you can also still utilize the Bluetooth feature for close proximity, and you can also utilize the Wi-Fi feature to access the dashboard and everything like that. So right now the device is powered on, and if I can go to my device, I can turn on my Wi-Fi notification, Wi-Fi module. So I connect to the Netagrow access point. So this access point comes with a password that you have to input, which we can still share once you're done. Anyway, so we go to this. So what you can see here, it says it is connected, right? But I can refresh this and it's connected. So let me see if I can expand this. So this is the dashboard. So basically this device runs on a 4 megabyte storage system, and we're able to have this much data, run a whole complete saver on the system. So we've got on the system control, we have the auto mode. So this auto mode controls the variables, the sensors and everything, and optimizes everything for you. If you want to automate your irrigation system, automate your cooling system, it can just do an override on everything and provide you with insights on how you can better run your systems or your infrastructure or your farm or your anything that needs monitoring. So if I click here, it will toggle automatic control mode. And if I toggle here, so PID control, this is mainly for irrigation control. So it's more like an advanced way of controlling your irrigation system based on the variables. Again, I'm not gonna go in deep information about this, but I'm gonna show you how it works later on. So of course these are manually controlled if you want to control the irrigation system manually, if you want to control the cooling system manually. We've got the settings feature, which I will show you later on as well. Then we go to the variables here. We are measuring the air quality, which you can see is 39.3 kilo ohms, and air pressure, sorry, the air temperature, the humidity, the pressure. For soil moisture at 0, because we do not have any peripherals here, so all these air quality, air temperature, humidity, light sensitivity, pressure is done within the device itself, so it already collects most of that data. For the soil moisture, the soil temperature, the pH, and the NPK levels, these are peripherals that you can still attach to the device. So I'm going to show you how to when we attach the soil moisture sensor and how quickly it responds to the device. Remember, we're running this on dual core device that has a 4 megabytes memory that has been optimized to work efficiently and effectively regardless of the situation that you're running this system. So I just connected the soil moisture. So for this purpose, I'm using the capacitive soil moisture sensor version 1.2. So, and as you can see, because it's been raining outside and it's humid, it detects the moisture around. So if I was to just apply pressure on this, because my hands are moist, and you can see the moisture flaring up and updating the values, it keeps on going up. So depending on if I were to insert this in the soil, it will keep on going up based on the values, and if I let go, you can see that it will automatically go to 0, and that's how accurate it is in real time. So now we are also monitoring the battery status, the voltage and the current. This is efficient because we're going to have a solar system enabled on this device, where you're able to also monitor the power outage, also the device let's say if you want to monitor the power situation for your irrigation systems, and also for your device, and also for your battery. And the cool feature is that you were also going to enable deep sleep mode. Now deep sleep mode is something that we have enabled on this device, which makes it easier for you to run on a 3000 mAh milliamps battery, which can last up to close to 5 months on a single charge. So it works in an innovative way because it just sends you the data when it's necessary, and it goes to sleep. So sleep means that it just rests and uses very little power for efficiency energy management use. So you're still gonna be controlling all these variables and viewing all this information, but on a very, very low power usage. So what you see here is, because I'm running on the local server, currently you can't see the graphs, but I'll show you the mobile version where you're able to see the graphs and the historical values of what we're collecting as the data here. Now, the cool part about this is the settings feature. So again, we are running all these systems on a 4 megabytes storage system, which has all these functionalities, which is saved in EEPROM memory for this device and optimized. So when you see the control settings here, we're able to set the threshold settings. If I want my threshold moisture to be 32 and the temperature to be 28, if I change these values and I hit the save button, it's going to update, and every time it goes beyond the threshold, it will send you an SMS or notifies you via the dashboard or the web platform, or even just on the same app itself that we are working as well. Then on the PID parameters, so these are basically to help you control your irrigation system. Again, I'm not going to explain this. You eventually see it in a later video. This will also help you control your irrigation systems efficiently. Then the other part is, we know not everybody has access to the Wi-Fi or a smartphone that has Wi-Fi. You can still control this device the worst way it is. It's going to be collecting data information. You can install it in your phone 1 kilometer away from your house or from your next house or whatever. it will still be able to send you notification to the phone number that you can. So if I was to put my phone number here, then I enable the SMS feature, it's gonna be enabled, and it's gonna be updating you with the data. If there's anything that is wrong with your farm, you're gonna be getting that information. Then also we have the scheduling system. If you have a specific scheduling system or schedules for how you water your your plants, rather, how you monitor each and everything that you want to include, you can add schedules based on your farm or your crop type. Then we also understand that these sensors might get wrong values, so that is why you are able to calibrate the sensors based on the reading that you have in the farm or anywhere in the field, that you can still be able to calibrate the sensors based on your environment and your setup. Now, we understand that this device requires maintenance and over-the-air updates, and this is what we came up with. So I factored in that you can also reset settings, clear the error log. You can see also the error log, the system info, and everything around that. The network, almost the same feature. You're also able to reset the Wi-Fi and also view other information that you can get out of it. So I'm gonna switch to my mobile version right now, so you're able to see the graphs and also all these other variables working together for effective use for the Netagrow device. And before that, also you're able to send this data to the cloud, where you're able to also run AI models, which can also help you manage your farm, get data analytics and insights, and so much more information that you can do with this information, with this data.